Shalom. All praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bashim, Al-Shah, Bashim, Karkadosh. Give honors to the elder apostles, great millstones, citate you, I can teach all truth and sincerity. This is going to be a quick hit. This is Proverbs chapter 27, verse 5. It says, Open rebuke is better than secret love. And that's plain because it says in Ecclesiastes, I believe it's either chapter 7 or chapter 5. It says, it's better to hear the rebuke of the wise than the psalm of fools. You know, uh, because if you take heed to the rebuke of the wise, you can get yourself together. You know, because to be honest, I rather receive the corrections, you know, and basically, you know, get get it together, then not receive the corrections and not take heed to the rebukes and end up, what's the word? Receiving the the consequences of not taking heed to the rebuke and correction from the men of the Lord that gave the rebuke and correction. Because whoever is over you that's giving you the rebuke and corrections, you know, that's the Lord speaking through that person. Because you never know as they are coming at you, coming down on you at that moment. At that moment, they're gonna read a scripture to build you up, to motivate you, so you can change your ways, so you can turn yourself around and be a more uh, proactive servant of Yahweh Bashim Yahshai. So you can better yourself. You know, and as they are correcting and rebuking you, they're also looking at themselves. Because we all in this truth are fighting every day to better ourselves and try to what's the word try to make what's the word? I'm trying to think of a word, like a word to we're trying to make ourselves better servants for Yahweh Bashim Yahshua, basically. But I was gonna get that scripture in First Timothy or Second Timothy. It says this word we're supposed to. The word of the Lord is for correction, for rebuke, for instruction in righteousness. That basically a man of the Most High, or the Second Timothy. But anyway, this is Second Timothy chapter 3, verse 16 says, All scripture is given by inspiration of the Most High, and is profitable for doctrine, for reproof, for correction, for instruction in righteousness. So these scriptures and our instructions, these instructions and these scriptures are for us to be corrected, for us to be rebuked, reproved on the doctrine, because as we read, and get the understanding of these scriptures, we got to ask questions, and we got to make sure that we understand what we read, because if we don't understand what we read, we got to make sure that we get corrected and get reassured on what is what is being read in these scriptures, you know. And if we don't get that reassurance and correction, we don't receive or take heed to it, you know, um, we can we can be considered a stranger, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna say all praise, honor, glory to Yahweh, Bashim, Yahshua, Bashim, Karkadash, double honors to the elder apostles, great millstone, citation you all can teach all truth, sincerity, and shalom.